Welcome to Apna tutorial. This is Akhand Singh. This is my new video lecture. In this lecture, I will discuss relation between the area of sector and the length of an arc. And one more concept which is very important for this topic, that is area related to circle. Now let's we start. Relation between the area of sector and the length of an arc. Here are two things: the area of sector and length of an arc. So let's draw the diagram. It's a circle having radius r, center O, another radius which is also r. This point is A and B. This portion this portion is a sector. This portion is a sector. And in between these two radius, it's make angle theta. So this portion is a sector, and the length from point A to B on circumference is called length of an arc. Now we know that the length of an arc, which is L, equal to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. If you want to know how this expression will come, then you can watch my previous video, in which I will explain each and every thing about this expression in detail. And the area of sector capital A is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. So if you have any confusion about this expression, you can watch my previous video. Now this is equation first and this is equation second. So we take here equation second. So from equation second, area is equal to theta upon 360 into pi and here r square. So we can write r into r, and if we multiply it by 2 and divide by 2, then nothing will change in this expression. Value will be same. And look at, here is 2 pi r. 2 pi r. So what is left? 1 r is here and 1 by 2 is 1 2 is here. So we can arrange this a is equal to this whole expression. If you look at this whole expression, then we can write 1 by 2 or take r by 2. So this r and by 2 into, in the bracket, this expression theta upon 360 into this whole expression. Two pi r. So we can write here r by 2 into this whole expression is nothing but length of an arc. So we got a is equal to r by 2 into L. So this is a relation between area of sector and the length of an arc. What is the importance of this expression? How to apply this expression to solve your problem? If in your questions area of a sector is given, an arc, length of an arc is given, then you have to find out directly radius. Now the next concept is, suppose the area is equal to pi r square, and if you divide on both sides, then area upon pi r square upon pi r square. So this will be cancelled. So it's become a upon pi r square is equal to 1. So this is one expression. And the next one is, we know that the length of an arc is equal to 2 pi r. And if we divide on both sides by 2 pi r, then we get L upon 2 pi r is equal to 1. So this is another expression. So look at, left hand side is equal to right hand side. So left hand side is a upon pi r square and right hand side is 1, and left hand side is L upon 2 pi r and right hand side is 1. So from these two expressions we can write a upon pi r square is equal to L upon 2 pi r square, and then in the term of angle we can write theta upon 360. So this is a master formula you have to remember and to apply all the problem. Now take some question related to this topic. So the question is, find the circumference and area of a circle of radius 4.2 centimeter. So we starting very basic question. So what is given? Circumference is, you have to find out circumference, as well as area, and R is given 4.2 centimeter. So we know that the circumference is equal to 2 pi R. C is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into R. What is the value of R is 4.2 centimeter. So you can solve here. So 7 6 ja 42, 0.6. So 2 into 22 into 0.6, and if you multiply, so suppose this is the rough work, so 22 into 2 into 6, it's become 1.2, and you have to multiply this value. So 22 into 1.2, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 1 to the 1 to the 4, 6, 2, decimal at one place. So it's become 26.4 centimeter. So this is a circumference. Now calculation for area. We know that area is equal to pi r square. So we put the value, pi is 22 upon 7 and r is 4.2 into 4.2. Why? Because r square. So 7 6 42, it has become 22 into 0.6 into 4.2. So you have take a rough work. So 4.2 into 0.6. So 6 2 ja 12, 2 1 carry, 6 4 ja 24, 1 plus 1 25, it's 0.2, a point at 2 decimal place because here is 1 2, and you have again multiplied 22, 2 2 is 4, 2 5 is 10, 1 carry, 2 2 is 4 and 1 5. So again 2, so we just repeat the value 405. If you add this, it's become 4 4 5 5 and 2 decimal place. So it's become 55.44 centimeter square. So the value of area is this. So up to here, thank you, and I will cover more problem in the next video.